What the heck is that stuff coming out of the sky?
Oh my gosh, it's freezing. It's the S word. Don't say it.
Oh, smokes!
3, 2, 1, action.
Well, we made it.
Yay!
I'm not
But
so
it's
sure
cold.
yay is in the cards.
It's trying to snow.
Oh my gosh. So we leave Texas, it's 48 degrees and drizzle,
And we thought that was cold.
and we get here, and the wind's blowing 30 miles an hour, and it's trying to snow.
Yeah. I don't like it. I don't
Hurry
like
up, DRV, we need our coach.
Yes, we're chasing 70 and we're failing miserably.
Yes, we are. But we had a great Thanksgiving.
We did.
Yeah,
Got to hang out with our kids
yeah.
and family,
Extended family.
extended family. It was amazing.
It was a lot of fun.
Uh-huh.
And the weather cooperated for the most part.
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
But Thanksgiving was wonderful. We got a chance to go see our daughter's new property. They're building their house, and
Yeah.
we got a chance to go see that.
We did.
We got a chance to hang out with the grandkids.
Yes. They're so cute.
It was fun.
It was fun.
And then Rochelle's sister flew in from Spokane for her birthday.
Her 40th birthday.
Yeah.
We're not old enough to have a 40-year-old. Should we just tell people we adopted her? No?
But we had a great time. It was a lot of fun.
It was. It was fun.
So what are we doing now?
We're back at Rolling Retreats, our favorite place to be.
It is.
With our favorite girl, Alicia. And, of course, Slade.
You think they're getting tired of us yet?
I hope not, because I like being here. Oh, well, we'll see. We'll find out.
Yep. So we got here, we've been hanging out with Alicia and Slade and our new friends, Brian and Cindy. Their coach is here, it showed up here.
It's so pretty.
And I'm helping Brian install some inverter stuff.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And the boys are busy in the shop. This place is busy, 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 busy.
All the time.
All the time.
Yeah.
Rigs going in and out.
Which is good. Good business.
It is.
You got to come here and buy your stuff here because it's good.
So we're having a great time. Mike, our good friend, works here, and we're hanging out with him. We're hanging out with Alicia. We're hanging out with Brian and Cindy and Slade and the boys, and just having a good time.
Yeah.
Now the weather needs to cooperate, get a little warmer,
Yes, please.
and we need to get a date on our coach.
We do. It's any time.
Well,
within
I don't
the
think
next
it's
couple
any
weeks.
time. Anytime between now and the 1st of January.
Yeah, this is true. But we have patience. We've endured more than this, so
We've had to have patience.
we have no choice. But it's going to be worth it in the long run. I know that.
Yeah. So the countdown officially, well, I can't say officially.
No,
can
we
I?
have no countdown.
So over here, let me turn this around here. Look who we've got.
Hello.
Look who we've got over there. So
Talking about countdown, now you're putting me under pressure.
we are putting you under pressure. Alicia,
Yes.
Do we have an update on our coach?
Well, it's at Paint or More ride right now.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
You have a baby. It just not
Yeah.
finished. Yeah.
Still in the incubator.
So we've been telling folks, we're hoping somewhere around the 17th or 18th of,
Let me get my
December.
calendar out here.
its build date was the 12th.
Yeah.
So that would put it about 6 weeks.
I'm thinking it should be around the 17th, right?
Well, that's kind of what
Yeah, so we're kind of.
that's what we've been telling people.
Normally 5 weeks
Yeah.
after it goes online.
Yeah,
So
but with COVID, who knows?
who knows? And,
Everything's out the window.
One cabinet door can hold things up. So, yeah.
And you just told me this morning you've got a new model coming in next week.
Yes.
What is it?
I'm gonna let you show the world
What?
the new front kitchen. It is mine. It's just sitting in a shipping yard, so I'm waiting. But yeah, we're gonna play in there. We'll have a
I'm
good time.
excited.
I am too.
Do you remember the model number on it?
It's a 41 FK MB4 or no MB. Is it got 6 slides?
Oh my gosh, I
Hold
don't
on,
know.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think it's got 6 slides.
6.
Ooh.
Wow.
Wow.
That's
Yeah.
gonna be huge.
6 slides. Two in the kitchen, 2 in the living area, 2 in the bedroom.
Wow.
Yeah. So we'll
Oh.
video. That's gonna be.
Will we get a chance to see it when it shows up?
Heck yeah.
Cool.
We'll unveil it right here at Sweet Travels.
Cool.
Yay.
So she's gonna let us take a tour of the 41-foot rear kitchen that she's got on the lot.
Yes.
So we're gonna, as soon as the weather cooperates, we're gonna go out and show you a little bit of that 41 rear kitchen. It's a beautiful coach.
It is really pretty.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
really, really nice.
I like that dark wood more than I thought, and I don't even mind the gold hardware in there, to be honest.
Yeah,
I don't know that I'd like it on the white or on the hazelnut, but I kind of like it on the dark wood.
Yeah.
Looks good.
yeah, it does. It looks really nice. And you've decorated it beautifully.
Well, thanks.
I
Lobby,
may
lobby.
or may not take your decoration.
I know where to get more.
You've done a beautiful job
Thank
in
you.
there.
Thank you. I need to add some.
So we're hanging out here at Rolling Retreats. This is just an update, guys. You know, we told ourselves we were going to take the Thanksgiving holiday and focus on family, and that's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Is focus on family over the holidays, and so that's what we did. So we have not been videoing as much as we normally would like,
Right.
but we thought we'd give you an update. We're here at Rolling Retreats now, present time, and hanging out with our friends, waiting for our coach, and then the work begins once it gets here. So anyway.
Are you gonna do live? Are you gonna video progression of what Slade's doing in
I
there?
would like to, yeah.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, so, yeah.
We'll figure out how to make that happen.
Yeah, stick around and we'll show you the build, the custom build on our coach. As we said, it's a one of a kind, and we're really anxious to see it. I don't know if Slade's anxious to get in there, but we need to move all his other stuff out of the way so we can
I
get in
need
there.
I need that other one so we got some practice.
Yeah.
But yeah, it'll be fun. But that'll be a cool video to watch. So.
Yeah. Yeah, so we'll give you a little time lapse on the progression on our coach.
That's right.
I'm gonna get
That'll
you a
be
new
exciting.
hat.
Are you?
That one's brown.
Can you tell he wears it a lot?
You might need an update.
Something where you can actually see it says Rolling Retreat DRV on it because it kind of blends in with.
Yeah.
So we're waiting it out here at Rolling Retreats. As I told you before, the countdown has begun. Da-da-da-da-da-da. And we're supposed to get a little bit of snow in the next couple of days, but then it's supposed to warm back up into the 50s, so
Right.
that'll be okay.
Yeah.
So anyway, if you want to come see us, come see Alicia.
We're here
We're here.
for a while.
Come visit. I know where to go take you to eat and all that good stuff.
That's true.
Oh,
She knows all the,
yes.
I know all the
fine
hot
restaurants.
spots.
That's right.
Museums,
Yes.
all that stuff. Yeah.
That's right.
Such a great hostess
Yeah.
with the mostest.
Oh, thank you.
All right, so we're going to wrap this one up from Elk City.
It all starts with an idea.
Thanks for coming along, guys. We'll talk to you next
Mwah.
week.
Love
Bye-bye.
you guys.